Speaker, I thank Honorable Yegon. He has said that they replied 3 times and the answers were vague. Now, I wanted to take this matter to court. I think the courts will serve us better than the Minister for Agriculture. So I need lawyers, Madam Speaker. Parliament has enough lawyers. I don't need the Minister of Agriculture because another lawyer is here, Kaluma, working. So, Madam Speaker, please, I don't want to be engaged by the Minister of Agriculture, but we do it judicially now, Madam Speaker, so that the farmers can get justice.
Thank you. Honorable Sholei.
I support Honorable Donya to the extent that tea farmers and coffee farmers, all farmers must. I also want to grow coffee and tea in Kilifi, and I want better prices. But Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Donya should not cede the authority of this House to the judiciary by saying that now that it has not been answered here, she says she wants to take it to court. Yes, you have a right to do that, and everybody else has, but you cannot cede the authority of the House, Honorable Speaker, to the court, Honorable Speaker, to say, you know, because this Parliament has not given me a good response, I will go to court. Honorable Speaker, that is not procedural. It is not at all. And actually, you should ask the Honorable Donya to withdraw that statement, that because it has not been answered here, she will go to court. She can do that, but not on the floor of the House, because we're 3 arms of government, and that principle must be protected by this House, by the courts and the executive. Other than saying, you know, if it can't be happen here in this chamber on the floor, you say you want to go to court. I want to tutor, I want to use that word, to tutor the Honorable Donya, who is a very good legislator. Please do not make Parliament look weak at any one time, Honorable Speaker. Never make Parliament look weak. Don't make Parliament look weak.
Now, Honorable Bayer, I think she's within her right to say that she wants to take that step. She's perfectly within her constitutional rights. But also, I don't think she's making Parliament weak. The committee and the cabinet secretary, by not responding to her statement, are the ones weakening Parliament. I don't think it's Honorable Donya. She's trying to make Parliament do its work.